My name is Tracy. I am the owner and creator of Charismatic Art. Today I will be doing Moodboard 101, a tutorial on using a template I created for you to use in your design process on everything. Give a shout out to Strut Artwear for the beautiful neckwear that I'm wearing in the tutorial. It is a necklace, as you can see. It's long and it goes down. I would also like to give a shout out to Bass Rebels, DJ Quads for the free vlog music, no copyright infringement.
What are mood boards? According to the dictionary, it's a noun and it can be spelled two words as one. It's an arrangement of images, material, pieces of text, etc., intended to invoke or project a particular style or concept. Basically, mood boards are used by designers, artists, events planners, crafters. Just about everyone has used the mood boards at some point in time in their life. However, mostly designers use mood boards for inspiration to set a tone or mood for their targeted audience or demographics. So, in layman's terms, a mood board is a collection of textures, fonts, images, and text that is related to the design theme, overall tone. For instance, this mood board is for a logo idea. The client keywords were chic, unique, simple, and vintage. She loved glitter and mirror as patterns and textures. As you can see, it is reflected in the final logo design. So what is the purpose? It allows you and your client to be on the same page or get inside each other's heads. Another great reason to start your own design process with a mood board is it saves you a lot of time in the long run. And there are three types of mood boards. There's the digital ones, which are usually used using digital software such as Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. Then there's, of course, the old-fashioned collage. Remember doing those in elementary art class? Same concept, just a little more focused. And then there's animated. They are done using video software such as Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere. Now, you can go to my website and sign up to receive free design resources such as this mood board template in the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like below.